Good afternoon and namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcome you all guys. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Vinay Kumar Saxena described his 4-day visit to Kargil as highly successful, outlining a wide range of developmental initiatives, infrastructures, projects and policy decisions aimed at accelerating growth and addressing key public concerns in the Union Territory. Addressing a press briefing at Lok Niwas in Kargil, the LG said that the visit allowed him to assess ground realities closely through extensive tours, meetings with public representatives, religious leaders and citizens, as well as inspections and inaugurations of several projects. Among the major highlights, the LG reviewed progress on the strategically significant Zojila tunnel, expressing satisfaction over the pace of work and optimism about achieving an early breakthrough. He also emphasized environmental initiatives including plantation drives under the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign inspired by the PM Narendra Modi, highlighting civic concerns. The LG expressed worry over the poor condition of the Kargil market, directing authorities to develop multi-level parking facilities and shift overhead cables underground to improve urban aesthetics. He also raised serious environmental concerns over untreated sewage being discharged into the local river, warning that failure to act could turn into a drain. The 135th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar was celebrated with great enthusiasm and reverence in Leh, with the Ladakh Buddhist Association, that is LBA, organizing a commemorative ceremony at Leh Market. The event witnessed the presence of several dignitaries including DC, SSP and LBA President Chering Dorje Lakruk, along with the members of the civil society, political representatives, students and the general public. Students from the various schools of Leh also joined the celebrations and performed several cultural and educational items, adding vibrancy and youthful energy to the program. Their performances highlighted the life, struggles and achievements of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, drawing appreciation from the audience. Speakers on the occasion paid rich tributes to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, recalling his remarkable journey from facing discrimination in the early life to becoming the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. In a measured push to assess grassroots healthcare delivery in Ladakh, Dr. Laltin Khuma Franklin conducted an extensive review of medical facilities at the CHC in Sangku Kargil district. Strengthening grassroots healthcare delivery remains central to our efforts in Ladakh, Dr. Franklin said during the visit, underlining the administration focus on improving access to quality care in remote regions. Officials said the visit was aimed at assessing both infrastructure preparedness and the delivery of essential medical services at one of the Kargil's key healthcare institutions, serving a predominantly rural population. The Dr. Franklin inspected several sections of the hospitals, including the general ward, emergency unit, minor operation theatre, eye, outpatient department and other OPD units. In a development that underlines Ladakh emerging profile on the global tourism map, the University of Ladakh is set to host diplomatic representatives from Seychelles and Thailand during its notedly upcoming International Tourism Conference later this month. The 2-day event titled LitCon 2K26 First Ladakh International Tourism Conference will be held on April 27 and April 28 at the Leh campus of the university. Organized by the Department of the Travel and Tourism Management in collaboration with the Indian Council of the Social Science Research and supported by the Indian Tourism and Hospitality Congress, the conference is expected to bring together academic, policymakers and industry stakeholders. Officials associated with the event confirmed that Her Excellency Mrs. Lalitiana Akauche, High Commissioner of Seychelles to India, and Her Excellency Ms. Chawanathang Sumphant, Ambassador of Thailand to India, will attend as distinguished guest. Their participation is likely to lend an international dimension to discussions around tourism development, particularly in areas such as cross-border cooperation, sustainable practices, and destination management. With less than 48 hours remaining for the Rozgar Mela, the Leh District Administration conducted a detailed review of preparations with Romil Singh Donk, directing officials to ensure that all the logistical arrangements are completed within the stipulated time frame. The employment fair is scheduled to take place on April 16, that is tomorrow, at the Central Institute of Buddhist Studies, and is expected to witness participation from various departments as well as job seekers from across the district. Chairing the meeting at the Deputy Commissioner's office, Donk emphasized the need for the precision and coordination, instructing departments to adhere strictly to assigned responsibilities. Administrative sources indicated that the employment fair forms part of the ongoing efforts to facilitate access to job opportunities in Leh, where livelihood prospects are often influenced by seasonal factors and public sector initiatives. The review underscored the administration intend to ensure a well-organized and efficiently conducted event. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thanks for keep watching us. Thank you so much and good afternoon.